Are you not entertained? Entertainment. We look at that word differently. We look and we see a screen. What if I told you there is more? What if I told you there is a whole world filled with mesmerizing places? What if I told you that one of those places is the Pyrenees? A place that brings that word to another level. So, are you not entertained?
Holy cow! Hey guys, so I really want to thank you for watching all the way to the end of this video. It was really fun to make this one. I feel like my videos are really like going up in quality. Wait, my food is cooking. Wait a sec. Okay, so yeah, I really want to thank you guys for watching to the end. I think that quality is really going up. Even like my short ones, but also my longer ones. So I want to thank you to... Okay, that makes no sense. So no, I want to thank you guys for watching all the way to the end. And I think that my videos are going up and up in quality, which is super cool to see. And I also see that my subscribers are slowly going up. My goal is to reach that 500 subscribers. That would be really cool. If you like shorter videos or you like to see some behind of the scenes, like, no, not behind the scenes, what is that? No, if you want to see some behind the scenes, you can check my Instagram or TikTok stories. If you like shorter videos, you can just watch my posts on there. And longer videos, you know where to be, alright? So subscribe if you have not done that yet. That can really help me out. So thank you if you're pushing some buttons here. And yeah, thank you for watching. See you in the next one.